Hi, Elaine here with WTI, the complete book of essential oils and aromatherapy. I love that this revised and expanded version has an extensive list for my favorite oil, lavender. There's 4 columns of information about lavender. And I've recently had an infestation of gnats, so I like to highlight what I have in essential oils to remember the protocol for my spray. And here it is, spraying it all on my dirt so that I can make sure that those gnats go away. And I feel like an essential oils teenager. I'm learning all the time. It's a constant learning process for me, and I really appreciate the book and the friend who gave this to me. It's a beautiful addition to my library. So make this your weekend reading, the complete book of essential oils and aromatherapy. You will love it. I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.